afternoon, Vivian.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Vivian Pulido, 31 years old, married. I have 4 kids, and I have 4 years experience here in the Philippines. My main duties is taking care of the baby. But sometimes I cook, clean the house, and laundry.
Taking care of a newly born baby.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you take care of a newly born baby?
I check the baby if the diaper is wet. I give him the milk, sterilize the bottle.
What about the 3 children? Are the 3 children all already going to school?
Yes, ma'am.
So you're the only housemaid in your employer's house?
No, ma'am.
How many members? How
3.
many? 3 housemates
Oh,
in your
yes,
employer's house. And your main duty was taking care of the newborn baby.
Yes, ma'am.
And old?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience.
76 years old, disabled, stroke person.
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you take care of a disabled person?
Changing the diaper, ma'am. Give him food.
Stroke.
Yes, ma'am.
What else? Changing the diaper,
Give the medicine.
medicine, assisting
Yes,
the
ma'am.
stroke person in taking a bath.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are well experienced in taking care of a newly born baby and a
Yes, ma'am.
disabled person.
Yes, ma'am.
This will be your first time working abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what if one member of your family in the Philippines got sick? What will you do?
As in money, ma'am.
Send them money.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you promise not to break your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
If your employer in Hong Kong cannot provide you a day off,
That's okay, ma'am.
that's okay. But if you buy back, it's okay.
Yes, ma'am. That's okay.
Any day off will do. Any day off will do.
Ma'am.
It's okay with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to finish your household chores before going out for holiday?
Yes, ma'am. I promise.
Do you have any allergic in food,
No.
drugs, or
No.
allergic? Any message for your future employer, Vivian?
Ma'am, sir, if you choose me as your helper, I promise to do all your rules and regulation. I finish my 2 years contract.
That's all. Thank you, Vivian. Good day.